Hej! Pusti me da bliskim ljudi i žele svijeta nažu i ja želim. Jer ljepi si želja iza koje druge želje nema. Ljepi si želja iza koje druge želje nema. Gdje si, Mina? A sunce im je onda?
Hoću vam samo jedan krug.
Okay, we arrived today at Zlaca. So we made it kind of a tradition to go Sundays somewhere, like somewhere close where we can get to within like 1 hour of driving. And today we came to Hotel Zlaca, which is in Banovici. And I have a cool trail that I used to go through when I was a kid. And I'm gonna take the boys today, and we will see how that goes. The kids are right there, but I think like it's in the sun and it's not that great for them to play there. Tare, možda je vrel tobogan. Molim vidi. Šta si rekao, bro? Is that a new brain rot?
Yeah.
Do you know, Tarek, a new brain rot?
Yeah.
You do? Look at this cool place, Tarek. Vedo, let's check this. Ne, ajde tamo. Yeah, look at the cool bridge.
Yeah. This is the entrance here.
Yep, it is.
No,
Oh my god, yeah. Oh, gledaj vodu, Tare, dole. Vedo, vidi, samo nemoj blizu tamo puno ići. Molim. Ko je? Šta piše? Pa eto. Nećemo trčat baš.
Hodat ćemo.
Hodat ćemo.
Watch out.
Pazi, Vedo, ovdje ima rupa da ne propadneš u rupu. There's a hole in the bridge, right here.
Gdje je rupa?
Eto je to.
Uj, popade mami noga.
My god, it's beautiful.
Uj, spasio si me.
Predobro je.
Uj, obim.
Dude, I love this bridge. And also one thing I can never get enough of when we visit like nature, like a forest, in most cases a forest. It's just the sounds of the nature. They are so soothing and calming. I love everything about it. You can hear birds tweeting away, crickets, everything. Like if you have a creek nearby, like we have right now, you can hear the water sound, the splashing sound. It's just beautiful. It's mesmerizing.
It's like this is jumping or something.
Tara,
Yeah.
are you a big fan of hearing like the sounds of nature like I am? Like it just sounds so peaceful. Yeah, Vida.
I just see you coming.
Oh, that's a rock.
Yeah.
Okay, you found a rock.
Yeah, okay.
That's a good accomplishment, Tara and Vida. Emina, what do you think of the nature? Is it beautiful?
No.
No. Okay.
Hoćeš moj štap? Oj, Alvin, uzeo mi je štap moj.
Jel? Vedo, vrati mami štap.
Water.
Tako ide.
Baba, I need juice.
Kad dođemo na mjesto prvo gdje ćemo odmoriti, tu ćemo juice.
It's literally 5 kilometers.
We're not gonna walk 5 kilometers, we're gonna walk maybe 1 kilometer. You know?
Hoćemo dole, može kako stići do rijeke?
Može, ima ovdje putić. Možda odemo dole i da sjednemo malo.
Ja.
Okay, I think Emina found us the first place.
Yeah,
And the first place is gonna be right at the beginning of this amazing trail. And we're gonna go down to the creek, and I also located like a little pathway. Yes, that's a leaf.
Yeah.
Nice leaf.
Redo.
Okay, this is our little secret cool pathway, Tare. Okay, you go first. You're our tour guide. Woohoo! Here we go.
Let's go.
Yeah, that's mighty cool. Ooh, Tara, I love these little
Ja,
water rocks.
Ono, kako se zove? Nije
Koji?
Gandalf, onaj sa onim
Gandalf, yes.
Jes, sa onim štapama.
Emina, you shall not pass.
Baba. Trebali smo ponijeti do pecamo. Baba.
Trebali smo. I see that video. Is this a cool place today?
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
Oh, this is, dude, this place is actually fire. It's very, very nice. Oh boy, look at this. I think here we can have our first drink. Tarce, I think I see a swing. I see a swing, bro. A natural swing. Or maybe not. Maybe it's just a branch. Let me place this.
Yeah.
Picnic utensils on the rock here. You see that, Tare? Je li ovo liana? Is that a liana?
Where monkeys swing on this? Do they?
Hold my camera.
Yeah.
Let me try and
Gdje
swing
do
on it.
man vam ako nas udari?
Good luck,
Ready?
boy. Yeah. Go. Wait. Stop.
Oh shit!
Good luck.
Ready, Tare?
Yeah.
Vedo, watch out!
Woohoo! Nice.
Somebody wanna try?
Hoćem da snima.
Hoćeš ti da snimaš? Ok, snimaj, Tarka. Like this. Vedo wants to record. Okay, Tara, you need to hold on with your hand so hard. Oh yeah.
Almost hit my head.
Yeah, you almost hit your head.
Imagine if I did.
Yeah, it was. I mean, I would have had it on the camera, so it would be okay, I guess.
People would be.
There's just no place for me.
Ima. Ajde. Molim.
No.
Koliko podali? Hoćete li šta jesu, hoćete mi piti?
What just happened?
Wow.
Wow, explode.
Nice of you. We have very limited amount of water. Amina is already spilling everything. So, great start.
Aj, ali vi žali me. Nisi vidio. Ne može motat, to život.
Pa nisi imala dva ultra veliki su nešto.
Nema. Pive, sve mi oni debeli, ono puštite.
Evo jedan cuk, gotovo manje.
Evo vidiš šta se popio.
Jesi popio flash viski? Okay, let's go to the little creek. And we can throw some rocks into the water and stuff. Excited?
Yeah.
Let's throw some rocks.
I want to check if there's any fish in here.
Okay.
And then we throw some.
There is fish here, yeah. There's little trout and clam. Dude, I see a tiny žaba. I see a tiny little frog, Vedo.
Eno je,
Look at it.
eto je tamo na
Terce.
kamen. Na kamen, eto.
Look at this one here.
Eto i tamo jedni.
Oh my god. You see how tiny? Oh my god, look so many. There's one.
Look at this.
Look at this one here. Hey buddy.
Evo još ovi ovdje taldi, na velikom kamenu.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's so many like tiny little frogs here. Da, Vedo. Jesi vidio male žabe? Oh. Yeah. What? Are they eating? Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I love these little frogs. I don't know. They went somewhere. Oh, look at this. Nice sun is coming out and stuff.
Oh! Let me look for some more fish. Okay, yeah.
Now that was a nice spot. Let's see if we can find more like this. We're gonna follow the trail up and see if we can find some more gems like this one. Like this place was superb. But I have a feeling it's not gonna be the only one great place that we find today. Okay, let's go. Tarce, let's go. We're all packed up in our little picnic bag. And it's time to explore more.
And I even hurt myself in the ash.
Yeah, Tarek hurt himself in the ash cheeks. He fell into the water.
Because of Vito, like he was throwing rocks at me.
Veda was throwing rocks at him. This little guy was throwing rocks at Tarek. And Tarek fell down into the water on a rock with his right ash cheek. Let's go. Aha, lijepa je bicikla skroz. Nije ovo je pravo lijepo. Mali.
Yo, watch out.
Oh, up the hill.
Yeah.
Here we go.
You made it.
Yep, we did. Okay, we found a little bit of a shade. Oh, Tarek! That's perfect. A da li za piće, Mina?
Da sam punila spravicu.
Kako spravić? Za provjerim. Oh my god.
A čim su ovdje stavili, znači jest.
Yeah, we have some water. Dude, I was actually getting scared because we were running out of water. And today is Sunday, so nothing is working. Like you can't buy water anywhere. It's so hot, I can't wait to drink this super cold water. I can't wait.
What's the color cold? Oh, it's
We should do a
actually
taste
kind of
test.
cold as well.
Oh, there we go. Hey, stop spilling it, Amina.
But what are we waiting for hours?
Yeah, we're waiting forever. Oh.
If you spill it again, I'm gonna jump in here.
Oh my god. Look how foggy it gets, like the bottle, because it's so nice and cold. Oh my god, give me that water, please.
But look how old the bottle is.
Oh my god, that looks so good, everything.
And the bottom of the thing,
Yeah?
it looks so old because you can see metal in there. Do you see?
Oh yeah, I do. I can see that, yeah.
Yeah, it's very old.
Yeah, it's very old.
This is from
Oh, that is something.
2008.
Amina. Give me, Amina.
But this is from 2008.
Oh my god. Look how foggy it has gotten. Mwah, so good.
What the hell? That's cringe.
Taste test.
Cringe.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the perfect temperature.
Mama, show you son.
Yes,
Weren't we supposed to be a
My
happy
god.
family?
Daddy, wanna try some? Are we not a happy family? How is it? Is it good? Wait, try it.
I wasn't expecting this.
What?
I was
Really?
but I have real sharp pain in my teeth.
Sharp pain in your teeth?
Yeah.
Maybe one of your teeth is broken. Is it good?
Yeah.
Amina, try. Oh. Well, we drank it all. Now Amina has to fill up. Hey, nastim malo, hajde.
We can do a lot.
Okay, we're gonna fill up more and then do some more, I guess, taste tests.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Dudy. Hi, bro.
planinski kus, troprsni djetlić, voden kus, strnadica,
No.
cikavica. Voden kus,
Okay.
prugasta reptiljka.
Hajmo sad polako. Hajmo na
Gdje da
vodopad.
vidimo što piše vam.
Okay, we found a cool new spot, but we needed to get with the car to this spot because it's a bit further away than we were initially by the cool spot. But there's like some small waterfalls in this area, and I want to visit that and take a few nice pictures and a little video. You know, it's gonna be some. Like it's right there, cars here. And also we are getting hungry, and inside here we have food and everything. Let's go! Let's go, guys! Where are you coming?
It's actually very calm.
Yeah, it's like a super cool place, and it's we have like shade here.
I remember to find something.
Oh, you found a stick? That's cool.
Baba. Treba naš planinski čuk.
Planinski čuk?
Yeah, that's like an owl.
It's owl. Oh, dude, yeah, this place is beautiful.
Oh, there might be someone living.
On the side, oh, there might be someone living in here.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe a squirrel.
Yeah, because
Probably a squirrel.
I see like...
Oh, that looks like such a cool house for a squirrel. Don't you think, Tare?
Yeah.
Do you see anything?
I don't see any animals, they just left a little bit.
Možda ju je napravio djetlić malo.
Da. Možda to djetlić, jel? Jel. Možda
Yeah.
napravim. Pac-Man konju. A mislim da je pisao konzum.
Konzum.
Čekaj, baba! Konju. Ja sam nešto.
Šta si nešto?
Hoće što vam kaže.
Baba,
Yeah.
this is how my country red.
Oh my god, yeah, we found it. There's a little waterfall. Oh, there's multiple ones, Tare. It's more than one. Come with me, Vida. Emina, jel možemo se gdje spustiti dole? Ja sam prije se moglo dole sići. A može, eto put ići. Huh? Okay, we're trying to find, like, I remember, because I was here like a long time ago, and I remember there was a way to get all the way down there, like to the, wow, oh boy, yeah. Yeah, there is a way.
Šta je Tare?
Tare, yes, there is a way, I remember this. Dođi, Vida.
Ne smijemo mislim.
Što?
Ja već noge nosim.
Da, što ne osjećaš nogu? Pa dođi ženu, pa polako, korak za korak.
Ne, idemo, ja Tare molim.
Ajmo polako, bolan. Emina, draga, ovo je zemlja, nisi u nebesima. Emina is so scared right now. Tare, Emina might not be the bravest in our family. Guys, this, like, I found that. I remember this path, like, but this is like a super dangerous, like, path. Like, look at this. Oh boy. It's sketchy. Okay. I feel adventurous today. Okay, Veda? Give me your hand. Opa. Opa. Slowly, Veda. Up, up, slow. Okay, it's good. All good, buddy. Whew. Veda fell in the sass. Huh? Evo sad ćemo piškati. Oh yeah, we made it almost down. Yeah, hajde Tare polako, one step at a... Yeah.
Ajde, dobro.
That's how you do it. I keep going down, Tarek. I mean, it's very sketchy what we are doing, but I'm hoping it's gonna pay off. And it's gonna pay off in sense that we're gonna have a unique, beautiful view. Oh my god! Okay, it paid off already. Oh, dude, this is amazing right now. Woo, I love it. Oh my god, guys, check this out. Look at that waterfall right there. How beautiful is this? Hoćeš onda da jedeš? You wanna eat there?
Nema mjesta, da moram...
Ko kaže? Okay, let's see if we can find a place. Drž tebi ovo. Da ja vidim sam. I'm gonna scout out a place for us. Huh? Okay. Whew. Sad ću vam ja pomoći, Mina. Okay. This is next level beautiful. Oh, I love it. Oh, we can have a picnic right here. Evo ovdje ćemo, Nina. Oh man, just look what a view we have right now. How freaking beautiful is this? Oh yeah. Stare, kako ti sviđa nešto? Ne pa. Ajde, jesi ukad vidio ovako to? A? Alright, let's say goodbye from this amazing freaking waterfall. Wow. So good, it's really good. Such a good little waterfall. Now we're gonna head back and see, like, if we go more for a walk or if we are going straight home.
Ajde kozice u auto.